Hey lovelies! Okay, so today I'm going to be doing the tape trend. I've been seeing it literally everywhere and I decided to do my own little spin and take on it for Valentine's Day. And I'm so excited because I'm going to be using this painting palette, so Athena Painting Palette from You Can Be. I've never tried it out before, so we're going to be trying it out together, reviewing it together, and this look will literally, I'll be using all of this. So it might be a hit, it might be a miss. We'll see at the end, but without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so for starters, this is what the palette looks like on the outside, and then it shows you the colors on the inside, on the back, literally by the numbers. And with this palette, I'm so excited about because it actually comes with paintbrushes, which is pretty cool. So these are the paintbrushes, and it shows you the different sizes of the paintbrush. So I thought that was pretty cool. And by the way, I got this off of Amazon, if you're wondering. Okay, so this is the tape that I'm using. I already think it's too skinny. I've seen people use thicker tapes, but I didn't have thick tape. So I'm just using what I have. And I did my eyebrows. I'm not too sure if I was supposed to do my eyebrows prior or not, but I figured it'd be easier to do my eyebrows first. Yeah, so we shall see. Okay, so I'm not gonna worry about if it's straight or not. I guess I can clean it up with concealer or foundation after. So I think this should be okay, the position of the tape. I think I just want to cover my eyebrows, saying that I already did it so that it doesn't smudge. Okay guys, so this is what the colors look like. They're very, very vibrant and pigmented in the container. I'm not sure what it looks like on person, but let me see. I'm gonna swatch. So I swatched the pink, and you know what? Oh my gosh, they really are pigmented. This is what the pink looks like without any base or anything. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is put my face all white just so that the colors can pop more. It is very pigmented, as you saw from the swatch, but I don't know, I feel like having a base would make it stand out more. So that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully it doesn't mix in. I'll figure it out. We're gonna figure it out together. So the paint is extremely creamy. Like, I didn't have to add any water to it. This is just coming right out of the container, and it's very creamy. Okay, so I think this is okay. I hope it's not too, I don't want to say wet because the consistency is not wet, but I hope it's not too like wet. Okay, next, so I'm going to be going in with this darkest pink right over here. Okay, so I had an idea that it was going to turn into light pink, because obviously if you mix pink with white, it's going to obviously turn lighter. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do is just add a lot of layers, because I kind of want like a gradient effect going from the corners into the eye, the middle, sorry. Okay, so I think this is okay. Time to do the big reveal to see if I got it as straight as I possibly could. So let's see. Okay. Okay, the bottom half, not too bad. So now let's do the top. Okay, it turned out actually way better than I expected. So now, time to do the razzle and dazzle and make this pop a little bit more. Alrighty guys, this is the final look. What do we think? In regards to the Athena Painting Palette, it was really easy to work with. I know I only used 2 colors, but the only thing I would recommend is having an eyeshadow that matches the colors that you use, just to mattify it a bit, because it is slightly oily, or not oily, but it kind of like on my eyelids, I realized that anytime I would look up, it would kind of smudge it. Or even a translucent powder would work well, but I couldn't find mine, so I just had to go with the flow. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you retry this look or even do a look of your own? And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!